Overcoming sadness. Learn how to fight off the blues. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very colorful expression in the English language. Fight off the blues. This phrase is not only vivid in its imagery but also rich in meaning, and understanding it can add a beautiful layer to your English comprehension. So, let's explore what it means to fight off the blues, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. Fight off the blues is an idiomatic expression used to describe the effort to overcome feelings of sadness or depression. The blues here doesn't refer to the color but is a slang term for a state of feeling sad, down, or depressed. The word fight off suggests a struggle or an attempt to get rid of something. So, when you put them together, to fight off the blues means to actively try to improve your mood or to get rid of feelings of sadness. The term, the blues, has its roots in music, particularly in the African American communities of the Deep South of the United States in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Blues music is characterized by its melancholic and soulful tunes, reflecting themes of hardship, heartbreak, and the human condition. The expression, feeling blue, predates blues music but has become synonymous with sadness and melancholy, largely due to the genre's widespread influence. 1. Describing personal effort. You can use this phrase to talk about personal efforts to overcome a sad or low mood. For example, I've been trying to fight off the blues by going for walks in the park. 2. Offering advice. It's also useful when offering advice or encouragement to someone who might be feeling down. Why don't you try to fight off the blues by spending time with friends or diving into a new hobby? 3. In literature and art, this phrase is sometimes used in creative writing or discussions about art to convey themes of struggle against sadness or depression. After losing his job, he had to fight off the blues to stay motivated in his job search. She plays the piano to fight off the blues. It's her way of coping with stress. During the long, dark winter months, many people find unique ways to fight off the blues. Thank you for joining me in exploring the meaning and usage of the phrase, fight off the blues. Understanding such expressions not only enriches your English vocabulary but also helps you connect with the emotions and experiences that are common to us all. Remember, language is a powerful tool for expressing our struggles, joys, and the myriad ways we navigate through life's ups and downs. I hope this video has been enlightening, and I look forward to our next linguistic adventure together. Stay positive and keep learning.